Hi guys, good to see you again. In today's video I would like to talk about verb patterns. I decided to divide this video into 3 parts and this is the first one. So today we will focus on verb plus gerund and verb plus full infinitive. Let's start with verb plus gerund. If you don't know what a gerund is, this is the ing form of a verb. For example, swimming or doing. And verbs that follow this pattern include admit, avoid, consider, deny, fancy, finish, imagine, mind, miss, recommend, suggest. I avoided meeting them. She's considering moving abroad. Do you fancy going to the theatre? Imagine living in a country where money has no value. Do you mind closing the door? She recommends using the other shampoo. Now let's move on to another pattern, which is a verb plus full infinitive. A full infinitive is an infinitive with to. For example, to swim or to do. And verbs that follow this pattern include agree, choose, decide, fail, offer, promise, refuse, seem, want. I agreed to do her homework. She decided to adopt a child. They offered to renovate the house for free. Some people refuse to believe in evolution. I would also like to talk about 2 verbs that can be followed either by a full infinitive or a bare infinitive, which is an infinitive without to. The first one is help. We can say, I'm helping Mary find her shoes, or I'm helping Mary to find her shoes, and in both cases the meaning is the same. The second one is dare. We can use it as an auxiliary verb or as a main verb. When we use it as an auxiliary verb, we use it with a bare infinitive, and when we use it as a main verb, we use it with a full infinitive, and the difference is quite subtle. When I say, how dare you say that? It means that I'm angry, I am indignant at something that you said. But when I ask, how did you dare to say that? It means that I'm actually expecting an answer. Okay, let's move on to the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!